Bururi wa Kenya ni unyitanĩire na mabũrũri mangĩ kurora ni makinya marĩkũ matacũkĩtio guoka ni Utheru riria atumia na airĩtu marĩ na kahinda ka mweri. Itũra-inĩ ria Kibra gũkũ mũciĩ wa Nairobi ni kwa mambura maya ma gũtabanagirio muoroto munene arĩ gũtigĩrĩra mũgambo wao ni waiguĩka guoka ni mabataro makonainie na ũtheru wa airĩtu na atumia kahinda-inĩ kao ka mweri.
So in many ways we've come a long way. We even have more conversations around the world than we've ever seen before on menstrual hygiene. However, there's a bit of a disconnect. Number one, menstrual hygiene is still under-resourced and underfunded. That's the reason why it keeps being an issue. And this is a global issue.
Mwambĩrĩria wa gĩkundi kia Inua Dada Foundation Janet Mbugua hamwe na ikundi ingĩ cia kuruira ihoto cia umundu maugĩte thirikari irorekeire itua rĩa kunyihia kigina kiria kiraheagwo mubango wa kuheana tauru cia utheru kũrĩ airĩtu kuuma ciringi mirioni 460 nginyagia mirioni 260, akiuga kunyihio gwa kigina kĩu ũgũkorwo arĩ igũtha inene kũrĩ airĩtu makĩria arĩa matagikorwo na ũhoti wa kũgũra tauru icio.
And a lot of the girls told us with their own mouths that were it not for these sanitary products, they wouldn't have been able to sit their final exam, or they may have been forced to turn to other measures. Even their social workers have said that. So even though we've not personally rescued, we have interacted with this issue face to face, and it really blew up during COVID in a huge way. Now we're hoping that it will begin to regulate because girls are back in school and because organizations like the ones that are present here, we're trying our best. And that's why we're asking the government, work with us. As in Wadada, yes, we've collaborated quite a bit with government, but way more needs to be done.
Serikali yetu iko na hiyo pesa ama fedha ya kufacilitate vitu kama hizo, ilhali huku mashinani ni vitu ambavyo havipatikani kwa urahisi.
Kaingĩ na kaingĩ airĩtu ni mwĩkoraga hatĩka-inĩ ya gwetha ũteithio wa kũgũra tauru cia ũtheru.
Kibra kuna changamoto mingi sana, manake watu wanaishi na ile extreme poverty. Mtu anapata tu 100 bob kwa siku. Labda mama mboga ama mama fua ameenda akafanya kazi akapata shilingi 100. Hiyo shilingi 100 atafikiria anunue chakula ama anunulie msichana sanitary towel. Na kama shule haimpi hiyo visodo, msichana ataenda kwa wale boyfriend. Na pia tuko na wale bodaboda riders ambao wanawadanganya siku hizi.
Why is there sex for pads? Because these girls don't have pads. Why don't they have pads? Because there's no budget. Why is there no budget? Because you're prioritizing everything else. And it's a real big insult to say that, watch amjipange. How? Pads and periods is not something we can control. And even if it's you and me who can buy pads, a majority of girls can't. So please, let's prioritize that.
Gĩcunjĩ kĩa 65 harĩ igana kĩa atumia na airĩtu gĩtikoragwo na ũhoti wa kũgũra tauru cia ũtheru, namba ĩno ikionekana ta ĩkuongerereka kũrũmĩrĩra kuongererwo wa thogora wa tauru cia ũtheru gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
We still have girls locked out of school and class, as you've rightfully said. In Kenya, the number stands at just over 1 million girls. When I was a news person back in 2013, when we came out with a story, the number was about 2-point-something million. So, bit of a difference, but still, over 1 million is still tragic.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Rĩtũrakanu wa Njirũ wa Foro.